Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing a brief review of the Apple iPad Pro M1. Without further ado, let's begin. If you're in the market for a tablet and you don't own last year's iPad Pro, the jump to the M1 processor is worth it. It earned you a ton of performance, Thunderbolt support, more RAM, and if you go with the bigger screen, an incredible HDR display is available as well. The addition of the Apple-designed M1 chip delivers a massive leap in performance, making the iPad Pro the fastest device of its kind. The 12.9-inch iPad Pro features a new Liquid Retina XDR display that brings extreme dynamic range to the iPad Pro, offering a stunning visual experience with more true-to-life details to the most demanding HDR workflows. Cellular models with 5G deliver even faster wireless connectivity when on the go. And to provide users with pro-level throughput for high-speed accessories, iPad Pro now includes support for Thunderbolt. Additionally, an all-new ultra-wide front camera enables center stage, a new feature that automatically keeps users perfectly framed for even more engaging video calls. The M1's huge jump in performance, a groundbreaking extreme dynamic range experience on the 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, up to 2 terabytes of high-speed storage, Thunderbolt expansion, a 4-speaker audio system, pro cameras with LiDAR scanner, blazing fast 5G connectivity, an amazing video calling experience with center stage, combined with the advanced features of iPadOS and a powerful Pro app ecosystem all in a device users can hold in one hand, there's nothing else like iPad Pro. The Liquid Retina XDR display delivers true-to-life detail with a 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio. Great for viewing and editing HDR photos and videos or enjoying your favorite movies and TV shows. It also features a breathtaking 1000 nits of full-screen brightness and 1600 nits of peak brightness, and advanced display technologies like P3 wide color, True Tone, and ProMotion. The breakthrough M1 chip takes the industry-leading performance of iPad Pro to an entirely new level. The 8-core CPU design features the world's fastest CPU cores in low-power silicon, delivering up to 50% faster CPU performance than A12Z Bionic. The 8-core GPU is in a class of its own, delivering up to 40% faster GPU performance. This combination of CPU and graphics performance on iPad Pro widens its lead as the fastest device of its kind. Powerful custom technologies, including a next-generation 16-core Apple Neural Engine, an advanced image signal processor, a unified high-bandwidth memory architecture with up to 16 gig of memory, 2 times faster storage, and up to 2 terabyte capacity, make iPad Pro more capable than ever. The industry-leading power efficiency of the M1 enables all of that amazing performance, along with all-day battery life in the thin and light design of iPad Pro. Because M1 shares the same fundamental architecture of A-series chips, iPadOS is already optimized to take full advantage of the powerful technologies in M1 to easily handle everything from simple navigation to the most demanding workflows. Retina XDR display. The new Liquid Retina XDR display brings the stunning front-of-screen performance of the Pro Display XDR to the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. Engineered with a new cutting-edge mini LED design that uses over 10,000 LEDs across the entire back of the display, the Liquid Retina XDR display features up to 1000 nits of full-screen brightness, 1600 nits of peak brightness, and a phenomenal 1,000,000:1 contrast ratio to enhance creative workflows. The result is a stunning visual experience that reflects what can be seen in the real world by capturing the brightest highlights and the most subtle details in even the darkest images. Now creative professionals, including photographers, videographers, and filmmakers, can view and edit true-to-life HDR content on a large display they can take anywhere. The new Liquid Retina XDR display includes other advanced technologies that can also be found in the 11-inch iPad Pro, including ProMotion, True Tone, and P3 wide color support, delivering an unmatched mobile cinematic viewing experience for HDR and Dolby Vision content. If you're enjoying the video, then hit the like button and smash the subscribe button. Faster speeds with 5G. With 5G available on iPad Pro, Customers on the go can do even more with better performance and access to next-generation download and upload speeds. Great for higher quality video streaming, real-time collaboration, or FaceTime in high definition. Users can stay creative and productive using a secure, fast connection, reducing the need to connect to public Wi-Fi hotspots. Featuring the most 5G bands on any device of its kind, iPad Pro offers the broadest 5G coverage worldwide. iPad Pro models in the US support millimeter wave, the higher frequency version of 5G, allowing iPad Pro to reach speeds up to 4 gigabits per second. iPad Pro also features support for eSIM, making it easy to find a network and sign up for a 5G data plan on the spot. Thunderbolt comes to iPad Pro. Support for Thunderbolt and USB 4 makes the USB-C port on iPad Pro the fastest, most versatile port ever on an iPad, with 4 times more bandwidth for wired connections than the previous iPad Pro, up to 40 gigabits per second. Thunderbolt supports 10 gigabit per second Ethernet and opens up a massive ecosystem of high-performance accessories like faster external storage and even higher resolution external displays, including the Pro Display XDR at full 6K resolution, all connected using high-performance cables and docks. With support for more peripherals than ever, iPad Pro now fits even more seamlessly into creative workflows. Center Stage delivers a new, more engaging experience for video calls. The TrueDepth camera system on iPad Pro features an all-new 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera designed specifically for iPad, enabling Center Stage, a new experience for video calls. Center Stage uses the much larger field of view on the new front camera and the machine learning capabilities of M1 to recognize and keep users centered in the frame. As users move around, Center Stage automatically pans to keep them in the shot. When others join in, the camera detects them too and smoothly zooms out to fit everyone into the view and make sure they're part of the conversation. So whether whiteboarding with coworkers or attending a virtual family gathering, the experience of connecting is now more engaging than ever. Additional new features of iPad Pro. The ISP and Neural Engine in M1 unlock even more capability from the Pro camera system, bringing support for Smart HDR3 for the first time to iPad Pro. And in low-light conditions, the ISP and LiDAR scanner quickly and accurately focus images and videos to capture incredible details from almost no light at all. The Magic Keyboard, which offers a comfortable typing experience with backlit keys, an integrated trackpad, and its floating design now comes in a gorgeous new white color. Committed to the environment. Today, Apple is carbon neutral for global corporate operations, and by 2030, plans to have net zero climate impact across the entire business, which includes manufacturing supply chains and all product life cycles. This means that every Apple device sold, from material collection, component manufacturing, assembly, transport, customer use, charging, all the way through recycling and material recovery, will be 100% carbon neutral. iPad Pro now features an enclosure made with 100% recycled aluminum and 100% recycled rare earth elements in the magnets of the speakers and enclosure. iPad Pro remains free of harmful substances, meeting Apple's high standards for environmental responsibility in materials, renewable electricity, and energy efficiency, and uses wood fiber in the packaging that is recycled or comes from responsibly managed forests. So guys, let me know down in the comment section below, what do you think about the Apple iPad Pro M1? For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next video.